Today, I just don't feel like doing anything. You know, you have one of those days? Thankfully, I have a couple sweet ladies passing by because today is all about sweetness on Cup of Joe. We are doing desserts whole show. Sugar rush. Let's get started. My good friend is back. Zoe of Bellevue. By Zoe. Bellevue by Zoe. She's back. Zoe is back. Chef, and you are going to be doing our very first dessert brought to you by the folks at Good and Natural. And it's a multigrain flour.
Yes, it is.
What are you going to do for us?
I'm going to make a multigrain fudgy brownie.
A multigrain fudgy brownie.
Yes.
So it's like a healthy brownie kind of thing.
Yes.
And you're going to give it all Christmas, right?
Yes, we are.
All right, let's go, Zoe.
So let's get started with my dry ingredients. We are using the multigrain flour. It's actually something healthy.
Good and Natural, healthy multigrain flour.
Right, we're going to start with this.
You're actually seeing the multigrains.
Yes.
You're actually seeing the multigrain.
Yeah, you can see it in there.
Yeah.
And to this, I'm going to add some sugar.
Right.
Some cocoa powder. I'll add some espresso powder. Now this is going to give a little more flavor.
Right. That's like a coffee
Yes.
powder kind of thing.
And we have some baking powder, some salt, and here we have our baking soda.
Right, so that's the Lion Brand baking soda.
Yes.
All lovely new packaging. I love the lovely new packaging.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You make brownies a lot?
Yeah, I do.
You do make brownies a lot?
Yes, and this is something nice because it's new. The flour is actually really healthy because you get your grains in there. So now I'm just going to whisk to combine, and I'm going to set this aside and move to our wet ingredients.
Right, so that's the dry ingredients.
Okay. So here, I like to start with my eggs first. I have some warm melted butter. You want your butter warm and not hot because you don't want to cook your eggs.
Right, very important.
Right. And last, I have some clear vanilla extract. And I'm just going to whisk this and combine it.
I mean, I know these are healthy multigrain brownies.
Yes.
But the secret to like a nice fudgy brownie is what?
Your butter and your eggs.
Right.
And now I'm just going to whisk this together.
So wet into dry.
Right.
I love how you're actually seeing the multigrain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is actually a healthy twist
Nice.
for your brownies. Right, and now we're all combined. So now everything is combined. We're going to add some candies.
Wow.
You
Straight
can
in there?
straight in there. You can leave out the candies and you can use nuts, but as it's Christmas, we're giving it
The red and green.
right.
You pick out the red and green candy.
Right. So now I am going to put this in a grease tray.
It looks so rich and so delicious. And it's not even baked yet.
This goes in a 350 degrees oven for about 20 minutes until the center is set. Okay, Joe, so I made the brownies and I cut it into triangles, and here we have it.
Lovely.
And now we are going to decorate.
So this is where the kids could get involved.
Right, so we are using Christmas decorations here. We have candy cane, we have some Christmas colors, candy, and we have our ice and sugar glaze. Very easy to make. Ice and sugar, 2 teaspoons of water, and some green color. You can use red if you want. And we're just going to pipe across.
It's almost like a little kind of Christmas tree kind of.
It is actually a Christmas
It's
tree.
a Christmas tree, that's why I cut it in triangles.
Yes, and this is where the kids will come in. And this is a perfect little treat for Christmas.
Oh my God, and then the lights on the Christmas tree.
Yes.
So you put a lot of thought into this.
Yes.
Yeah.
This actually make a really good gift as well.
Yeah, it's cool.
And then we take our candy cane.
Oh.
and you get a perfect little Christmas tree.
So these are the cutest little brownies and healthy, thanks to good and natural multigrain flour. The kids should enjoy this for the holidays, guys. Please try it. The recipes are on capitalcaribbean.com. We're coming back. Thanks, Zoom.
You're welcome.